you should see entirely new business models. Because at the end of the day, more information means more ways to make money through services, not products. You will have different competitors than you do today. Maybe Google, maybe Ali, maybe Tencent is your worst nightmare, right? You're going to have different competitors competing in different ways, and more people will say the product is free. My friends, the product is never free. If the product is free, you are the product because of the information you generate. Let me suggest something fundamental. I can give you more and more examples all day. I'm a professor. My job is to talk. Yeah? But it's lunch. And no matter how interesting I am, or think I am, in a couple of minutes you're going to say, forget it, food. Yeah? So let me make the simple message. You view information the wrong way. You view information as a cost, and therefore you seek to minimize the cost. Everything I've seen in every presentation so far has been about efficiency, cost savings. Bullshit. If you only think information is about cost savings, you're never going to get an audience with the CEO. Because the CEO doesn't care. The CEO cares about revenue. Information is now a source of revenue. If therefore you want to maximize the amount of information you have, because that maximizes the potential amount of revenue creation. If information is a cost, then you want to minimize the amount of information to minimize the cost. You need to fundamentally flip how you think about the role of information in your company. The job of the CIO needs to evolve. There's many, many different things you could think of that you need to do, but most fundamentally, you need to change how people are rewarded and compensated. Information. That's the key. Hire information economist. Google has done it for years. What's the job of an information economist? To figure out how to make money from information. Why did Google do it first? Because it's the only asset that they have from which they can make money. Everything else they give away for free. Learn from Google. 5-year planning horizons. Forget it. Makes no sense, particularly in China. The world is changing faster than you observe it.